Weigh the pros and cons is a commonly used idiom that encourages a thoughtful and balanced evaluation of the advantages and disadvantages of a particular decision, choice, or situation. It suggests that individuals or groups should carefully consider both the positive and negative aspects before making a judgment, taking action, or reaching a conclusion. The expression draws its imagery from the idea of placing objects on a scale and comparing their respective weights. In this context, the pros represent the favorable or beneficial aspects, while the cons represent the drawbacks or disadvantages. By metaphorically weighing these factors against each other, individuals aim to make informed and rational decisions. Weighing the pros and cons is a valuable decision-making and problem-solving tool applied in various areas of life, including personal, professional, and academic domains. It helps individuals and groups make balanced, well-informed choices by considering all relevant factors. When using this approach, individuals typically begin by identifying and listing the positive aspects or benefits associated with a decision or situation. These may include advantages, opportunities, or favorable outcomes. For instance, when considering a job offer, one might list the salary, benefits, and career growth as pros. Next, individuals identify and list the negative aspects or drawbacks, often referred to as the cons. These can encompass challenges, risks, or unfavorable outcomes. Using the job offer example, cons might include a longer commute, potential work-related stress, or a lack of work-life balance. Once the pros and cons have been identified, individuals then assess their relative importance or significance. Not all factors carry the same weight in a decision-making process, and some may be more critical than others. Assigning weight to each factor involves considering personal values, priorities, and goals. After evaluating the importance of each factor, individuals can then make an informed decision or draw a conclusion. The goal is to strike a balance between the positive and negative aspects, considering the overall impact of the decision or situation on one's life, goals, and well-being. Weighing the pros and cons is a critical thinking exercise that fosters critical analysis and responsible decision-making. It encourages individuals to move beyond impulsive or emotional responses and instead adopt a systematic and rational approach to evaluating options. This approach can be especially valuable when dealing with complex or significant decisions, such as buying a house, choosing a career path, or making a major financial investment. In these cases, the pros and cons analysis helps reduce the likelihood of making hasty or ill-informed choices that may have long-lasting consequences. In conclusion, weighing the pros and cons is a practical and effective decision-making strategy that encourages individuals to consider both the positive and negative aspects of a decision or situation. By systematically evaluating these factors and assigning importance to each, individuals can make more informed, balanced, and rational choices in various aspects of their lives. This approach fosters critical thinking and responsible decision-making, ultimately leading to better outcomes and reduced risks.